Hello friend, and, now I will make the videos to show how this product work with iPhone and Android. First, we make the device connect with Android. Okay, this is my Android phone. Okay, and this is my iPhone. Use Android first. You need to install the app and you can see the link below the video. We give you a link to download the app because you can't find the app because the app name is Chinese, so you can't search it. Just find the link below the video. We write the link. So if you open the link, it's go to this website, this link. Okay, and the website, and here you can download the app for iOS and the app for Android. You can choose. Okay, I have already installed the app, this one. Okay, and the first thing, you need to insert the SIM card. Pay attention to the SIM card direction, like this. Insert the SIM card. Okay. Okay. Then connect to router, and then connect to power. Okay, and wait a moment. And this time, the light will become green. Okay, and now I just to open the setting and the Wi-Fi, and I check if there is show the. I close it and then turn on it. Yes, this Wi-Fi. Roambox. Okay. After that, I no need to connect it the Wi-Fi first. I just open the app. And you need to make a account first. If you open the app, it will show this. So you need to register an app account, but you can't change the code, right? This is Chinese, only can insert Chinese phone number. So you just ask me, and I can help you to correct or make a account. So then you can log in here directly. Yes, just contact me, and it not support to use other countries phone number to make account. Yes, I insert my number. Okay, wait a moment. I okay. I into the app. Into the app, then it shows this page. If you buy 2G device, you need to click here. This is GSM router version, and this is 4G. If you buy 4G, you click here. Yes, this device is 2G version. Okay, and you can see the light is become green. And this is mainly your if this light become green, that means your router have not work. This if this become green, that means your SIM card can work. Yes. Okay. Then I click here. And step 1, it asks me to insert SIM card and connect the network and the power. Yes, I have already done it. And then step 2, yes, connect the Wi-Fi. And yes, there is no need password, just need connect because this Wi-Fi is no password. Okay, then back to the app, and you connect and wait it. And here, it need you input a phone number, and you can input any phone number, but it's better to input this SIM card number. Yes, my SIM card number. Okay, let me. Okay. And just wait the configuration. Yes. Yes, and successfully. Yes, and this menu to check the device detail. Okay, I click here. And first, it will show the network is unreachable. But this is not a problem. You just need to close the app and then restart the app. Then, okay, wait a moment. Just wait a moment. And here, the first one is mainly add a new box, and this one is embedding. Yes. You can change the passwords here, because we give you a passwords 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you can change it here. Okay, and it's still show. Let me make a call, test it. Yeah, it can work. In fact, it can work. Just yes, and here, yeah, you can see it become okay. Yes. Yes. So it makes the device work, right? And let me check if somebody called the SIM card. Wait, I use this phone to call the device SIM card. Okay. Yes. Answer. Hello? 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 Okay. The voice is okay, yeah. So this is for Android, how to make it work. And iPhone is the same. And in fact, I can just to log in the account, and then the device can work. I no need to configuration it again. I just open the app, and I use the same account. The same account. Then I log in, and then the Android will log out. Yes, this many. Your account is logging on other device, other phone. Yes. Okay. and now it can work. And your device here, it's working, right? Some Chinese, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, I can make a call. Yes, it can work. So, and the iPhone have the same step, just like Android. It's all the same. You just need to follow my steps, one step by one step, and I think you can make it work. It's very easy, yeah. So, if you have any problems, you can contact me. Yes, I have leave my WhatsApp number below the video. Yes, okay. Thank you for watching my video.